Moving in over Puget Sound, and we've been hearing ships' foghorns out there, so that's kind of cool. Well, there was a ship's foghorn. But yeah, the fog's building pretty quick.
Hey!
And there is the foghorn. Okay. Fog has cleared out a little bit out on the water there. Not hearing ship's horns anymore, but okay, so we have this side here is first coat painted. Picked up all our tarps and sprayed off the deck. Everything's clean. Have all of our maskings done. So yeah, it's looking real good. Nice day today. Supposedly it might rain tomorrow. We'll see. Landscape guys came and did a little more work with the rockery. They're still trying to figure it out. They want to have more of an asymmetric rather than a symmetric look. And to put a rock up there as a feature. Mitch is over in the scaffolding doing siding. Scaffolding's coming in handy. We got 3 levels worth, but we only needed 2, so we're going to return the other level here in a minute. So you can see where he came across up there, and he had to come up from under the roof here and run the courses across and then come up and then back over the roof so that he could determine where the courses up there go. And so now he's doing the undercourse for that layer. And there it goes. We're using the stainless steel nails on that. So yeah, it's coming along nice. Back up a ways here to get a fuller view on. Yeah, so scaffolding's pretty handy. $84 a day or $160 a week, and we'll be using it for a week anyway. So, all right, well, that is it for today. Okay, so we are returning 2 adjustable feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the gravity clips, as they call it, and 1 dog-eared clip or whatever they call that. 2 end pieces. 2 cross braces and 2 supports